Hi students, welcome to Adiman online class. 12th standard mathematics. Now see chapter 12 discrete mathematics, example 12.4. Verify that number 1 closure property, number 2 commutative property, number 3 associative property, number 4 existence of identity, number 5 existence of inverse for the arithmetic operation addition plus on ZE. ZE means set of all even integers. Set of all even integers. Now solution. ZE means what? Set of all even integers. Already we know even integers 0, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, etc. Those are all even integers. If you are asking question set of all positive even integer means 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Negative even integer means minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, etc. Okay. Here asking the value even integers, not asking Here asking the question is what? Set of all even integers. Set of all even integers. So therefore 0 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 6 plus or minus 8 is goes on. So generally we write 2 times of k, where k belongs to integers. K belongs to integers. If you give k value is what? 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2. If you give 0, so 0. So that's why extension is what? ZE is equal to the set value what? Etc. minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, etc. Okay, here binary operation is addition. So first we have to prove closure property. Closure property, already we know sum of any two even integers is also even integers. 2 plus 4 what? 6. Again even integers. Let x comma y belongs to ZE. Take x is equal to 2 times of m. Y equal to 2 times of m. M n r belongs to integers. Here k belongs to integers. Same manner m n are integers, but x y are even integers. So sum of this x plus y is equal to what? 2m plus 2m. So commonly take 2 of m plus n. So m comma n is integer, m plus n is also integer. So that's why this term is also integer. X plus y belongs to even integers. Okay. So this term x and y are addition of x and y is even integer. So which is belongs to ZE. So addition is binary on set of all even integers. So that is the first one, students. Next second one, commutative property. Here taking for every x comma y belongs to ZE. Okay, now take x equal to 2n, y equal to 2n, where m comma n belongs to integers. Okay, now add this to x plus y is equal to 2m plus 2n. So commonly take 2 of m plus n. So m plus n is rearranged 2 of n plus m. So now multiple 2n plus 2m. 2n is what? Y. 2m is what? X. So y plus x. So x plus y is equal to y plus x. So commutative axiom is true. It is a rule for commutative axiom. X plus y equal to y plus x. So addition is commutative on ZE. Addition is commutative on ZE. ZE means set of all even integers. Okay students. Now third property, associative property. In general, addition is always associative in set of all even integers. For every x comma y belongs to ZE. Z suffix E means set of all even integers. Okay. So now x plus of y plus z is equal to x plus y of z plus. X plus of y plus z equal to x plus y of plus z. Okay. Here z means elements. Here ZE means set of all even integers. Okay. Can you understand this? Okay. Next. Fourth one, existence of identity property. Let x belongs to ZE. Z suffix E, and E is the identity element. Okay. That is Z suffix E means set of all even integer. E means identity element. This element, it is the set. Clearly understand, students? Okay, next. By the definition, x plus E is equal to E plus x, which is the definition for identity property. So now take x equal to 2m. So take first part, x plus e equal to x. So therefore 2m plus e is equal to 2m. E is equal to 2m minus 2m. E is equal to 0. 2m minus 2m cancel. E is equal to 0. Now substitute here x plus 0 is x, which is equal to 0 plus x. Okay, that is here. There exists e is equal to 0 such that x plus 0 equal to x, which is equal to 0 plus x. So 0 plus z e, that is 0 is the even integer, which is belongs to set of all even integer. Is the identity element on set of all even integer, z suffix e. We can write z suffix e. Okay, therefore the identity axiom is true. Therefore the identity property is true. We can add this line. Okay, next, fifth one, existence of inverse property. Existence of inverse property. Let x belongs to z suffix e. X dash is the inverse of x. X dash is the inverse of x. By the definition of inverse, x plus x dash is equal to what? E, which is equal to x dash plus x. Okay. So now take x equal to 2m. So now substitute first part. 2m plus x dash equal to what? E. E value already solved 0. So x dash as it is, 2m take it right hand side. 0 plus 0 minus 2m is what? Minus 2m. So there exists x dash equal to minus 2m such that x plus x dash first part. Here x plus x dash equal to x value 2m and then x dash value minus 2m, addition of this 0, and then right hand side part x dash plus x is equal to what? X dash minus 2m plus 2m subtraction is 0. So that is condition is satisfied. So therefore x dash equal to minus 2m belongs to z suffix e. Is the inverse of x equal to 2m belongs to z suffix e. Therefore, so here is nothing but x is the element, so minus x is the inverse of x. Okay, so here inverse element is exists, so therefore hence the inverse axiom is also true. So which is the problem, students? Very easy one. Do it. Thank you, students.